Yo, what's up everybody? Today we're talking about how to get unlimited amount of cash in NBA Live Mobile. Guys, look of this application, NBA Live Mobile Plus Plus application modded version is already installed in my mobile devices. And this application allowed you to generate unlimited amount of cash for your NBA Live Mobile game. Okay, how it's work? In this video tutorial I will show you step-by-step tutorial how this application works. Okay, enter amount of cash as you want. The next step is press button next, and now everything is already generated, so wait to complete of this process. After finish, our game will be open. Okay, now we must wait maybe 1 minute, and look of this, now I get unlimited amount of cash in NBA Live Mobile because this application NBA Live Mobile Plus Plus is already working for Android or iOS devices. But how to get this application for your mobile devices? It's very easy. Go to comment section, find pinned comment with another video where link is this comment section. I will show you step-by-step tutorial how to install this application NBA Live Mobile Plus Plus for your mobile devices. Enjoy and thank you for watching.